Alright, welcome back Fly Tribe, and welcome back to your weekly tutorial. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so that you know when we drop a new tutorial. Alright, so this goes back to the little combo or the little skills that we did a couple weeks ago, Pegasus from Egg Beater Wrap, and which is what this is right here. I'll link that tutorial right above in the description. So, but from there you can go into your Rebecca split, in which we call this Rebecca split prep, because there's so many things that can happen from this position. Okay, so that's your Rebecca split prep, or Rebecca split basically. Okay, and then from there you're going to put a half wrap on, and you can do that different ways. But from now, that leg is going to go through the center, and you're going to belay down. I'll also put a link to this tutorial down as well. All right, and then from there you can do all kinds of shapes, which is really fun. You can foot lock, you can keep one foot free, make all kinds of shapes. It's just a really great opportunity for you to be explorative, and this little sequence is really fun and can challenge any beginner, and any intermediate can put these skills together and just kind of free flow. And you can add a lotus on top here. There's so many different things that you can do from there, and we're going to just check out that little sequence again. So we're going to go from Egg Beater Wrap to Pegasus. And remember, if you don't know these individual skills, you're going to want to go back and look and see how you do these individual skills and practice the skills before you practice the combo. All right, so this is the Pegasus. And then you're going to go straight into Rebecca split with a half wrap. And we call this half wrap belay from Rebecca prep. So if you aren't familiar with this belay coming up, you're going to want to look into how you do that first. And then into the belay, you can do all kinds of fun shapes. Okay. You can also just come out just like this, and you're done. All right, Fly Tribe, remember to subscribe and ring that bell. We'll see you next week.